Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Good
ma'am.
ma'am.
morning,
Good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. A very good morning to all of you. Are you all ready for your maths assessment today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good. Before
Yes, ma'am.
moving to the assessment, I want to tell you one fact. Children, as we have learned about the weight, right? You all know we have learned about the weight, right? What is weight? How to find the weight? If two times, three times the weight of is, we are multiplying. I want to tell you one fact regarding weight is, children, you know, when you go on moon, what will happen? If your weight is 60 kg, for example, if my weight is 60 kg, when I will go to moon, what will happen?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
there
we
is
will
no
like
gravity.
more than the weight of
Raise your
Weight
hand.
will decrease.
Raise your hand. If you know the answer, raise your hand. Raise your virtual hand. I'll give you a chance to speak.
Can you tell
Yes,
me
Pranshu.
Ma'am, your weight will go less. Because of zero
How much?
gravitational force, your weight will
How
go
much
less.
less it will go?
30%. Half of the weight
Yes?
of 60%. Half of the weight. 30
No.
kgs only.
No. No. Yes, Preet.
Ma'am,
it
Weight will
will
decrease
it will
definitely.
decrease our weight and it will show that our weight, if my weight is 30, then it will show 20 kgs. It will show 10% decrease.
No.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can I
Ishika.
say?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, it will be go zero because we will fly means there is
It
no
will not
gravity.
be
So
zero. Some weight will be there.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes,
ma'am,
Tejasvi.
5 kg, 2 gram, 200 grams, 100 grams, 1 kg.
Ma'am,
Like that?
No. Yes, Tejasvi.
ma'am, 10 kg.
ma'am, 50
It
grams.
will
50
it will be
grams.
10 kg. If you are 70 kg, then also your weight will be 10 kg on moon. If you are
Ma'am,
30
50
kg, then
grams.
also the 10 kg on moon.
May I say
Ma'am,
just?
50 grams.
Yes, Dash.
No, ma'am, it will be
50.
3. Ma'am, just,
10.
just. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
your
50
weight
grams.
will be same, but it seems that your weight will be low.
Your weight will be showing 1/6 on the moon. One
Ma'am,
sixth means you need to divide your weight by 6. If my weight is 60 kg, when I will go on the moon, my weight
10.
will be
10 kg.
10 kg. So
10 kg.
whatever the weight will be yours, divided with the 6, you will get the weight which will be on your
10 kg, ma'am.
on
60
moon.
divided by
Got
6
it,
is equal.
Pranshu?
Ma'am, I will be 5
Yes.
kg.
What is your weight, Josh?
Ma'am, near 30 kg.
Near 30 kg. Okay, around 30 kg. So divided by 6, you will get your weight. That how much
I will
weight
be
it will show on moon. Okay. Discussion is
I
done.
will be 6.
Good.
Ma'am, I will be
Discussion
6
is
kg.
done. Mute your mics now. Pranchu, mute your mic. So this is the fact which I need to tell you, as we have already learned about the weight also. So you should know that your weight will be 1/6 on the moon. Now I will be sending you a Google form link in chat box as well as in classroom. If in case if you log out, then you log in from the classroom.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kabir?
ma'am, you will send the link on chat box.
Yes. Link is already pasted in the chat box. Please open the link. Read the question properly, carefully. Don't do it in a hurry. Read it properly. You will get the solutions. Patiently, calmly, whatever the concepts you have learned, apply them and solve it. Don't do in hurry in any option. Solve and then click on the option. Link is pasted in the
Ma'am, we will
classroom
get
also.
our marks.
Yes, you will get your marks. Once you
Okay.
submit, you will get your marks. I request everyone, please turn on your camera. Those who have a technical issue. Yes, Rushika.
Ma'am, we have to write our name in capital or small, anything different.
Any. Read the questions properly. I will
Excuse
also
me, ma'am.
present. Yes.
Ma'am, my camera will go off because when I am
Okay, Preet.
in
Okay.
another app.
I understood. Those who have a technical issue, their camera off will be accepted, but others, please turn on your camera and sit. Children,
Ma'am,
I am
I'm
going to
doing it with
present.
phone. Then the camera will go off.
Vivan, okay, I understood, please. I'm going to present my Google form on my screen and I will read the questions for you. No one will discuss the answer in the class. Any problem, any query, write in the chat box. The unit of volume is what? Find the volume of this figure. A cubical box has a volume of 216 cubic centimeter. What will be the measure of its size? If the volume is 560 cubic centimeters, length is 10 meter, breadth is 8 meter, find its height. If the weight of a 5 rupee coin is 7 grams, then find the weight of a sack containing 700 coins. This is a 5 rupee coin. One coin is 7 grams. Find the weight of a sack which is having 700 coins. Rohan puppy weighed 3 kg. His friend Soham got a
Excuse me,
dog
ma'am.
whose... Yes. Yes, speak,
Ma'am,
Aryan.
fourth question is wrong.
If the volume is
Ma'am, fourth question
560,
is wrong.
let me check, Aryan. Are you able to hear me, Aryan? Aryan, are you able to
No,
hear
it's
me?
right. It's right. I have not seen one.
Yeah. Please,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
think, read properly.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. It's right. It's right.
Rohan's puppy weighed 3 kg. His friend Soham got a dog whose weight was 12 times the weight of the puppy. Find the weight of Soham's dog. The weight of an object on the moon is 1/6 of the weight on the earth. Just now we have discussed. Think and then give the answer. An astronaut having weight 72 kg. An astronaut is a person, human being, whose weight is 70 kg at the earth, went to moon on a mission. How much does he weigh there? What is the volume of this figure? Please observe the figure carefully and then find the answers. Sometimes make you get confused by looking at the two options, but solve it properly, think and then give the answers. Which box has a greater capacity? A cubical box with each side 5 centimeter or a cuboid box with sides measuring 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Line graph below shows the number of hot dogs sold per day and on which days same number of hot dogs sold. Wednesday and Thursday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. How many small boxes of dimensions 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 3 centimeter can be packed in a big box of dimension 12, into 10. Sorry, here into sign is there, my dear children. I'm putting multiplication sign. Just check. Is it coming in your also? Check in the 11th one. Multiplication sign has come. Am I audible?
No, ma'am.
Am I audible to you all?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Multiplication sign has come, Haley? Okay. Next is graph shows the number of colored beads used to make our necklace. How many purple and green beads were used in all? How many telemarks this is showing? Representation of data using rectangles of uniform width and equal spacing between them is called what? The pictograph is about what? What is the title of this pictograph? How many more butterflies than petals were seen? The same number of pencils was sold on which days? Children, 8th question, you please read the question properly. The incomplete pictograph in diagram 14 shows the number of mobile phones sold by 4 shops. There are 4 shops, S, T, U, and V. So there are total 600 mobiles were sold. Each mobile picture is representing, wait a minute, each mobile picture is representing 50. So how many mobiles were sold by shop S?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we can do na rough work.
Yes, you do rough work in your notebook and then click the final answer.
Okay.
Are you able to log in, Kabir?
Yeah.
Okay. Arrange the sports liked by children in increasing order. You all know increasing order is what? So according to the increasing order, you need to arrange these sports. First, the options are given to you. Next, last is the pencil box is 10 centimeter tall. Means what is this? You can understood tall means what? The area of the base is 10 centimeter. What is the volume? Any difficulty, any query, write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have a difficulty in question 8.
Okay. Question number 8. Observe this picture carefully, Judge Rupar Elia. There
Ma'am,
are
not
two.
that. What I had to multiply? That is one more box that we have to multiply by with that.
Listen to me now, Judge carefully. There are 2 boxes. You need to find out the volume of the 2 boxes and you need to add them. Then it will be the volume of combined box. Understood, Judge?
Yes, ma'am, I got.
First, you need to find the volume of this box, then you need to find the volume of this box, and then add the total, and then you will get the answer.
Okay, ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, in the 11th one, there is no multiplication sign in the second line.
I have corrected. कोई बात नहीं, multiplication sign है. Take it as multiplication sign. I already corrected. Okay. In the 11th one question, children, question number 11. The second box, 12 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 18 centimeter are the dimensions.
Ma'am,
Hmm. Yes,
ma'am, in
Dhruvi.
the 18th one, one mobile is 50. One mobile represents 50.
One mobile represent. It's written, no? You can able to see. It's written. It's written here.
Represent
Can you
50
able to
mobile
see my screen?
phones.
One this
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
picture represent 50 mobiles.
Okay.
First of all, you need to find out how many mobile pictures should come in the S, and then you need to find out how many total mobiles. What happened, Ishana? Any difficulty? Grushika, yes, please go.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Children, you have learned the tables also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, meantime, I will ask the dodging tables also.
You know, ma'am, in the 12th one graph, I did not understand how many are the pink in that.
12th one.
Yeah, ma'am.
It's given, my dear. It's clearly given, Jaival.
Ma'am, it is given 10, 20, 30 only, that's why.
So what if it is in the middle? What do you think now?
Ma'am, no, there is a line, so the green
The
one is.
pink one, they are not discussing about the pink one. They are asking the graph shows the number of color beads used to make a necklace. How many purple and green beads in all? So you just have to look to the green and the purple. Are the green and purple is clearly visible to you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Jaival? हाँ तो बस आपको उससे कंसल्ट है.
Ma'am,
So why you need to think about everything then?
ma'am, I'm not getting 16th question.
Let me see. How many more butterflies than battles were seen? Battles से butterflies कितनी ज्यादा हैं? Kabir.
Oh,
More
yes.
means understood.
Yeah, zyada.
Mute your mic. Lower down your hands, children. Okay, Aheli, I'll start with you. Aheli, 14 threes are Children,
42.
don't take much time. Don't take much time. Next is Arav Palaskar. Arav Palaskar.
Yes, ma'am.
16 Pfizer.
16 Pfizer 80. 80.
Yes. Next is Arna Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
17 Sixa.
17 6 of 102.
Good. Next is Arush Agarwal. Arush Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
19 Triza.
19 3 is 57.
Good. Next is Ahmad. Ahmad. Ahmad, are you in my class or you are not there present physically? Okay, 0. Anubhavi.
Yes, ma'am.
No, Ahmad, and now your chance is gone. Sorry.
Ma'am, he was not there. He
No,
was not
I
there.
know. I know. Anubhavi, now you tell me 16 Faiza.
16 5 80.
Next is Aryan Agarwal. Aryan Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
19 Edza.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is 19 Edza.
Ma'am, 19 is a 152.
Next is Aurav Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Aurav 17 Sixa.
102.
Darsh Sonawala. Darsh Sonawala.
Yes, ma'am.
14 Threeza.
14 3 is 42.
Next is Daksh Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh 15 Tuza.
30.
Good. Next, another Daksh Patel. Daksh Patel. Next one. Okay, I will mark absent for the students. Those are not listening. Devanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
19 Threeza.
93 is a 57.
Dheer Pipalia.
Ma'am.
Daksh, now mute your mic, please. Mute your mic. Your chance is gone.
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
a doubt.
those who have completed this, please submit and start writing tables in your notebook. Arush, what is the problem?
Ma'am, in the question 18,
13.
18, the S shop has nothing.
Arush, which question you are saying?
18.
Okay.
In the
What I have
question,
to see?
ma'am, in the question 18, in the S shop, it doesn't has any picture.
So, yes, that only you need to find out.
Oh,
Okay,
okay, ma'am.
understood.
Yes, ma'am.
They
I
are
understand.
saying that they sold total 600 mobiles.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pictures are already given. And you know
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 5 means what? How many here in the T1?
Yes,
If 5
ma'am.
pictures are there, multiplied with the 50, got it now?
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Yes, that way you need to solve and that way you need to find out for the S. How many mobiles sold in the S? Children, think logically. It is very easy.
No, ma'am, because of network issue, I have leave the meeting, so I have to do from the mobile.
Please complete it fast. Dear Pipalia, your chance is gone? No. Restart. Children, maximum 8 to 9 minutes are there. Dear Pipalia. I call his name many times. Dhruvi,
Yes, ma'am.
12 8
Ma'am, I'm not able to hear you. Can you repeat?
12 8
Ma'am, 96.
Next is Ishana.
Yes, ma'am.
18
Ma'am,
7
Dear Pipali also not there. We can
18
mark him
7
absent. Dear Pipali are not there.
126.
Okay. 18 7 1.
126.
Okay. Ma'am, Dheer Pipalia is showing present in the class, but is he on his
Yes,
place?
ma'am.
No,
No,
present means
Dheer.
he is not there. Only his icon can be seen. He cannot be seen on the his
Yes,
camera is not
Dheer, I
working.
will mark absent now.
Yes, we will mark him absent because his
Ma'am, I'm
camera
here.
is not switched on.
You
Now he
are
is
there
talking something.
now because I call your name 5 times, more than 5 times.
And this is
Ma'am, I
why
could not
this is
hear.
happening because all others, those who because of you people. She is calling you Dheer Pipalia, Dheer Pipalia, Dheer Pipalia. All others are just sitting and listening. Why should we waste our time, those who are sincere? So you will be marked absent today.
Next is Ishana is done. Eva,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, I'm Dheer Pipalia's mother. Actually,
Ma'am,
I know. I
yes.
told him to lower his volume because he was getting disturbed because you all were talking. So I told him to lower the volume fully
Ma'am,
because he was
same.
Ma'am,
getting
actually,
confused in.
I already told them that I'm going to take the orals also.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I was
Even
not aware
And
of that,
ma'am,
so I
since
just told
last
him
week this
to
is
lower
going
the
on. The
volume.
children are aware for this. The children are very much aware of this.
No, the children are aware, but I told him to mute it because he couldn't calculate it. He was getting confused in his
Ma'am, I will
calculation.
give them chance. Ahmad, Noorani and Dheer at the last. Now, please allow me to continue with the other students.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Eva Lakhani, Dheer and Ahmad, please stay till last. Please do not leave the class without my permission. Eva Lakhani, are you there in my class? Mic is not working. So, Eva, write the answer in the chat box. 16 Faizao is what? Hasti Ranpura. Eva, I'm waiting for your answer. By the time I'll ask you to the other child. Hasti Ranpura. 18. Wait. 18 Faiza. Hasti. Fast answer.
90.
Good. Next is the another Daksh Manoj Patel also will wait after the class. Jaiwal. Jaiwal.
Yeah, ma'am.
Jaiwal 16 Faiza. Jaiwal 16 Faiza. You are searching somewhere. What will be the answer?
80.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm not searching.
Okay. Please, I request parents, please do not help your child. Yashvi, you need to solve by your own. Very good, Kabir.
Renu ma'am,
Coming on the second class and you score 14 marks. Good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Rushika.
Ma'am, I'm having doubt in 11th one.
I am not solving the doubt here. You read whatever you understood and solve it.
Renu ma'am, in the laptop, I'm going in another side, but there is no, it will not be camera off, and in the mobile,
Okay.
it will be also.
Now I go to the
Ma'am.
next child, Just Ruparelia. Yes, Arush.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
what happened? What happened now? My CET crashed 3 times. Then the fourth time, I forgot that the answer was of that coin was that, and then something else.
You submitted, right? Okay, now wait. Kabir Balar. Jashrupa,
Ma'am,
really, I was calling your name.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I said yes, but Arush was speaking between.
Okay.
So.
Wait, Kabir, wait. Jash, 18 sevenza.
Ma'am, 18 sevens are 1. Ma'am, 18 sevens are
Faster.
Ma'am, 126.
126. Kabir Balar.
Yes, ma'am.
12 eights.
96. No, 10.
Yes,
96.
96.
96.
Kannan Lunia. Kannan.
Yes, ma'am.
14 threesa.
14 pizza. 40, 42.
Kathan.
Yes, ma'am.
17 sixa.
102.
Krishita. Krishita.
Yes, ma'am.
19 threesa.
Ma'am,
Children, be quick. I need to take the orals for other students also. Be quick.
ma'am,
Yes, Vihan.
ma'am, I can submit the assessment.
Yes, please submit.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 57.
Yes. Next is Mantra.
Yes, ma'am.
Mantra 19 eights.
19 eights of 152.
What? Why you are sitting with your camera off, Mantra? Many of you are sitting with your camera off, children. Next is Mayank.
Ma'am, I'm connecting through mobile to laptop, so I will.
Jaival, I understood your problem. How many times you say the same problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to submit now.
Yes. Mayank.
Yes,
18
ma'am.
sevenza.
126.
Maisha.
Yes, ma'am.
16 fiza.
80.
Nishika.
Yes, ma'am.
17 sixa.
Ma'am, 17 6 are 102.
Om Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
19 threesa.
57.
Prakriti.
Yes, ma'am.
12 eights.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
12 eights.
96, ma'am.
Pranchu.
Yes, ma'am.
19 eights. Pranchu 19 eights.
I cannot hear you.
This is the common problem. Okay, Pranchu, now you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranchu 18 sevenza.
18 sevens are 112.
No. 126.
126.
Preet.
Yes, ma'am.
16 fiza.
16 5s are 80.
Prithvi.
Yes,
Children,
ma'am.
when I call your name, in one call only you have to say yes, ma'am. Otherwise, I will move to the next child.
Yes, ma'am.
Prithvi 17 sixa.
17 6 are 102.
Riva.
Yes, ma'am.
19 eights.
19 eights are 1
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. 18 sevens are
18 sevens are 126.
okay. Rudra Jalodra. Rudra Jalodra.
Yes, ma'am.
19 eights are
Ma'am, 19 eights are 152.
Good. Children, now one announcement. Listen properly. Those who have submitted their paper, they can leave the class. And whose oral has not done, they please stay online.
Bye, ma'am.
Swati ma'am, thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Children, without saying bye,
Bye,
please leave.
Ma'am, now
Ma'am,
my oral is left.
Then you stay. Then you stay. Devanshi, your oral is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Paper submitted.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you leave.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Okay, I was taking whose name was there? Prithvi is done. Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah, 14 threes are
14 threes are 42.
Swara,
Yes, ma'am.
16 fives are
16 5s are 80.
Tejasvi, Tejasvi,
Yes, ma'am.
Tejasvi, 19 threes are
What, ma'am?
19 threes are
19
threes are 3.
threes are 57. Sorry, ma'am, 67.
No, 57 was right.
Okay, ma'am. 57.
Trisha,
Yes, ma'am.
12 eights are
12 eights are
96.
12 eights are 96.
Vedansh,
Yes, ma'am.
19 eights are
152, ma'am.
okay. Those who are giving the orals and it is done, if then please leave the class. Vivan Patel,
Yes, ma'am.
Vivan Patel, 17 six are
Ma'am, 102.
Vrishank,
Yes, ma'am.
18 sevens are
Ma'am, 126.
Vrushika,
Yes, ma'am.
wait. Vrushika, 19 eights are
19 eights are
yes. Faster. Vrushika. I will move to the next child now. Okay. Yash Malhotra.
Ma'am, she
Yes, ma'am.
Vrushika, you wait now for your turn. You wait. I will give you a chance. Wait. No problem. Wait. I will give you a chance. Yash Malhotra. 19
Yes,
threes
ma'am.
are
19 threes are 57.
Yashvin Arola.
Yes, ma'am.
18 fives are
18 5 90.
okay. Vrushika.
yes, ma'am.
Wait. Those who are saying Renu ma'am, wait.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Kabir, wait. Kanan, wait. Vrushika, yes. Vrushika, now next question is 12 eights are
12 eights are 96.
Now you can leave if you submitted. Yes, Kabir, any difficulty?
Ma'am, we have tomorrow we have to go to school now.
Kabir, I told you on that day also yours is different case. So you got no information?
Ma'am, I don't get any information.
If you know about today that you have to come tomorrow, so you know means.
Ma'am, but I don't know the timing of that. When to go, why to go.
You got the mail, you got the call. I will discuss, Kabir. Wait till last then. Okay. You call and mail it to Jyoti ma'am, Kabir. Okay. Kanan. Kanan. Kanan, you were asking from me something.
Ma'am, in this second one, I have submitted, but I have done the right, but it's showing wrong.
Second question.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I will check and let you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yashvi is done. Now Dheer. Dheer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dheer. Dheer, 19 8 za.
Ma'am, 19 is ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 152.
Ahmad Noorani.
Yes, ma'am.
Ahmad 19 3 za.
19th Riza.
You turn on
57.
your camera. Still your camera is off, Ahmad.
57.
Yes. Daksh Manoj Patel. Daksh Manoj Patel. Children, those who have submitted, if
ma'am.
their test is also done, they please leave the class. Daksh, please turn on your camera. Daksh, please turn on your camera. Daksh, are you listening to me?
I have done.
Daksh, are you listening me?
Yes.
Daksh, can you give me the answer when I will ask? Tejasvi, your test is done? Prithvi, yours is done?
Ma'am, on the last question I am.
Okay. What are you saying,
Ma'am,
Kanan?
Ma'am, my worksheet is done.
Kanan, you were saying second one answer option is given. Correct option is given.
Ma'am, its correct option is given, but I have submitted. I have checked that it's coming
Ma'am,
wrong.
my worksheet is
I
done.
will check, Kanan, your answer manually. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Daksh, please turn on your camera. Then only I will able to listen and talk to you. Yes, Daksh. Why are you playing with your camera, my dear? The whole session has gone to tell you, please turn on your camera. Now tell me, 14 Frieza.
Ma'am,
From whom you are asking the answer, Daksh?
ma'am, no, anybody.
You tell me.
42.
Okay.